Today I got a special package today from Big Bad Toy Store. So let's check it out. What's inside? And this one. Got my Iron Man right here. Packaging, as you can see. Wow. They're using this new kind of bubble wrap, like one sheet. Pretty cool. See, Big Bad Toy Store. Go see. And here we go. Got here is the Thor figure. Really nice. So let's open up this guy and see what's he look like inside. Okay. Inside comes with a really nice picture of the figure, Thor, and let's take this out. Here he is. Wow, he looks really nice. Check it out, guys. There we go. I just opened the box right now. That's what he looks like. All right. The hammer looks really nice. And the helmet. Hair. Face sculpt. And so right off the hand, this is what he looks like right out of the box. Let's take him outside. See how he looks. Looks pretty cool. Looks just like Thor. Right away when I took this thing out of the box, it fell and it made a loud noise because it's real metal. And it landed on this thing right here. It was like clunk, make a really loud. I think it made a little scratch on the table too. I mean, the table's full of scratches, but I got worried there. Maybe I damaged the hammer, but it seems to be okay. Pretty nice, man. It's real metal. Beautiful work. So the face sculpt looks really nice. Really cool outfit. I don't see any defects on him, so that's good. Take off these plastics and put on his cape and see how he looks. This it comes with this rock, which is really nice. Right, really detailed, light, and the helmet. I don't know about the helmet. I think I'll display him without the helmet, but it's still a very nice helmet. And this other hair piece. Sorry guys. So there's a magnet in here. And these spare hands. It's got a fist for the hammer. Closed hand, open hand. And another open hand, and spare pegs, and of course the stand. This is Thor on it, which looks really nice, and a very nice cape. Pretty cool. You can see the I guess those are like little magnets or something. I'm not sure what it is. It just slips right in. So it's really cool. Alright guys, so Put on his cape and the hammer. He looks pretty cool. It's right next to the Iron Man. Thought it would look nice next time. And pretty cool, man. I'm digging this figure a lot. I know it's not very poseable, but I still like the figure a lot. It's pretty awesome. I mean, there's a lot of other stuff to like about the figure, you know. So pretty cool. Yeah, guys, this is my unboxing for the Thor figure, and I will catch you guys later.